Here again we are talking about Microsoft Excel, which is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft Office that enables you to do a number of things like entering your data, automatic calculations, and the rest. So here we are discussing how you open your Microsoft, you punch in your data, then saving. Let us start again. Here we are closing. So you come to your taskbar, look for the Microsoft Excel icon, you click it, and it is opening. Then we want a blank document. So here we realize that there are cells, and these cells are arranged in columns. So you enter your data in your columns, like this is, you enter your data in the cells. Like for example, this one is cell A1. So you want to enter your data, like let us give it a name. I'm giving it a name. This is A1, the name. B1 still, sex. Okay, those two basic examples. So say the name is Stephen, the sex is male, another name is let me put a lady's name, Grace, and is a female. So that is done. So when you want to save your work, click on File. You are going to save as. Then you look for a place. You're browsing it. Then let me go to desktop and CS. Then I'm opening. Let me put it, give it a title, learning. So since, okay, we are going to look for Excel 97 2003 template. Then I want to save it in desktop and CS. Then so here my work is done. As I still repeat, this is just for learning purpose. Thank you for watching.